to okay, I can increase or decrease. Let's see. Minimum to make it alternating. Okay. Okay, if there exist two distinct... Oh, okay. Two distinct? What is K? K is this. So I think it's just brute force, right? It's just brute force then. If okay, I mod to Oh, mod K. Return min of what? N plus K as X. X minus N. Two, one. That's pretty easy. Yo, what's up? Q3 maximum path selection sum. Is this the same? No. Is this the same? No, it's not. Player 1, start top left, right or down. Player 2, bottom left, up or right. Okay. Top right, and this one is bottom. Okay. Maximum possible share cell. It should be a... This thing is, let me think. I think it's just one line, right? This when... So this one go, I don't know, this one. Yeah, so it's just Cadane. I think it can be negative. Wait, what? Oh. Oh, shit. Oh, it's just Cadane. Yeah. Yeah. For yeah. J is less than N. Interesting. So it's not really Cadane. Why? It's Cadane, but not really Cadane, right? Because basically it can go like this. The horizontal is Cadane. The vertical is something else. Just this thing. It's either these two. This special case about this special case about the corner. This one is saying Cadane that we can take 4, but we cannot really take it. We have to have another one. Is that true? Yeah, you can Cadane. You can Cadane. Basically, you cannot take this one as a single cell. Is what I'm That's what I'm concerning. Okay. Okay, I think I just put another one boolean first. Okay. I is equal to 0 or I is equal to what is it? I equal to 0 or I is equal to n minus 1. Is that true? For this one, J is true, so J is equal to 0 or is this true? Four. Still 4? Oh, I didn't. So if first continue. So basically, if corner is a better variable. If corner. Let me think about it. If it's a corner, if it's not corner, and you flipped it. Yes, I think this is true. 4, 3. Is that true? Yeah, let's go. Oh, 12. Or need at the end. So you cannot really take, or can you? Basically, if you're at the no, if you're at the border, if you're at the border, okay, that might be wrong. If you're at the, it's not the corner. If you're at the border, like this one. Suppose you go like this, right? That's to okay. There has to be two shut. There has to be at least two stow for the thing. has to be two cell. How do I do that? If it's corner, border is a better answer. If border, right? Else. Let's just do normal. If I this is what I think you do. Because you need at least two cell when this. What's happening? Wait, what's happening? Why is it saying 7? It's not border. Oh, I don't know why I did this. Yeah. 4, 3, 5. That's true. It's the border. Why? What's this thing? -5, 5, -5, -5, -5. Why is it taking this? Because I will run, oh, I will run the thing here. I will run the thing here, but then in the vertical, it's not. Oh, so if I, is that true? Yeah, if I is equal to 0, we can only take max. If I is equal to 0, zero. You fucking kidding me? -5, -9. -11. The option is this one? Wait, how do they make it -11? Wait, how do they make it -11? How is mine even -9? Because I think... Yeah, either anything here is... has to be 2 cell. Because you can escape, right? Anything in these area you can contain, right? Is that true though? Yeah, because you can contain... What is -11? Wait, how do they make it negative? Does this one need to touch this one? Am I blind? Well, oh, -5, -6? So it's this Cadane. And then you, okay, I think I got it. Basically, you cannot do one cell right here. Basically, you cannot really do one cell here. You need to have another cell. Is that always the case though? Basically, if you want this cell, you will take this one, go here, right? But if so, you cannot take the A. What if you have another -x here? You take this guy up, and you... Not that doesn't make sense. So you basically take more than 2 cell if it is... Why did mine take -9? If it is the border... It is the border. Why does mine take -9? Fuck, I haven't fixed my settings on the new config. It almost passed. It's just a little more cases. -9. So it is the border. which is true. Why is it -9 though? Currents? Okay, -7? -7. Current plus AI. Let's see. Negative. Oh, it's not in here. It's not in here. So it's somewhere. Wait, what? Wait, where's the answer coming from? Because my algo is running this one, then this one. Oh, it's taking this one. Okay. So if it's at the end, if it's at the end. Okay, this thing handles it, right? If I is equal to n minus 1, a dot size minus 1, result is equal to max of result current plus x. I think that's what it is. Because it is at the end. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, what? Continue, bro. -11. Looks right, submit. Okay, nice. Holy shit, that's a lot of cases. You given, okay. Parent zeros in, okay. Parent I is the parent of node I. Where nums of I is that if the sum is the sum node to selected node okay. Valid subset. What the fuck does that mean? Visible by k. 2, 3. Okay, what is this? Wait, where nums of I is the value of node I. Okay. A subset is called valid if the sum of the value of the selected node is divisible by k. Makes sense. No two selected node are adjacent in the tree. Okay. Yeah, makes sense, right? What is k? Okay, yeah, it seems like it's just a knapsack. It's just a knapsack. It's a knapsack DP. I think that's just it. Really. Uh, can you give a summary of what I did in Q3? Yes, yes, I can. Let's see. Mainly a part C579. Yeah, so yeah, let me rewind back. So what exactly is this problem about, right? Yeah, let me show you a big picture of what this is. So basically what I did is just contain these, right? These vector, horizontal and vertical, right? But there's a case where it is broken because if you are in this area or this area, okay, let me do it. So when you go up here, you cannot really alone take this guy only. The same as this guy, the same as this guy, same as this guy, same as this guy. The reason is because there's no way to escape. Actually, there's no way to escape the whole thing without touching two or more cells. So if this value is included, it's guaranteed that either this value is included or this value is included. The same for this value. So you cannot really go up here and then you only include this cell only. You have to include this cell or this cell. That's the whole point about this problem, and the same for these guys. So these cell you cannot take alone. I ignore this. These cell you cannot take alone. Yeah, and that's just so you just do Cadane, and you just handle these K's separately, right? So if it's 0, you cannot take the result as max, and if it's this thing, you have to take the previous cell with it. So that's what my my Cadane is. Let me think if I can do this better. Let's see. Okay, if I is equal to 0, right? So if it's 0, you cannot take it. If it's this one, you can just break because it's the last cell. And then if it's not, you can do a normal. Is that true? I don't know. I don't really know. Let's see. See if it's right. Submit. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know this problem, bro. Yeah, whatever. It's just you grind at cases, I guess. I don't know. You mainly you got the ideas, right? That's just how it is. That's how it is. Okay, let's do this one. Fuck, I think my food arrived. I might be I might be gone for a bit. Um is it arrived? I was 3 minutes away. This thing, these type of Q4, these type of Q4 is just a knapsack DPs. I can draw out the idea, and I'll be back implement later to get my food first. Uh, this is just house robber. So if you take this one, you cannot take this one. No, 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 no. You cannot take this one or this one, right? So you just do a DP of U 0 and DP of U 1. This one we have an extra dimension, which is K. Oh, we'll deal with it later. And then at the end, we just return DP of, I don't know, U, no DP of 0, 0, K. Oh, no, not K, 0. And the same with 1, DP 0, 1, 0. Yeah, I think that's it. And at each step, you can decide to either take the node or not take the node. If you take the node, meaning you cannot really take the parent, the child node, and yeah, you just figure out the relation, and these are pretty common DP for you to learn about. Yeah, I'll get the food and be back later. just eat first. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay, right? Is that good enough? 1,000. Okay, which is 105. Yeah. No, I don't like that. Let's just return a DP. So we have a DFS. Auto DFS initial node initial parent. We will return a vector DP. Ah, fuck template. Okay. Okay. DP with 2 dimension and k dimensions. We will have DP of you don't take it and it's divisible by k is equal to 1. Yeah. Constant auto neighbor, right? Oh shit, we need what the fuck is this? If I is equal to -1, continue, otherwise graph. A PI dot push back I graph I dot push back PI. Okay. If neighbor Karen, you continue. Auto NDP. Nay DP is equal to DFS CFS. Nay node. Okay. Let me think about this. So for fuck. Take is equal to 0. Take is less than 2. Take plus plus. For initial nay take. And take is equal to 0. And take is less than 2. And take is the neighbor take. If take and take. Continue. Yeah. Now what? DP of NDP. of take. Ooh. 100 times 100. That's 10,000. 1u4. Ish. Okay. 4. Initial k is equal to 0. Let's fix this k to be a big K. Okay. K is less than K, K plus plus, right? And dp of take the neighbor K plus take times A of node. This whole thing mod K nay dp. Well, in that case, you need an I sucks at these transition. Is that good enough? And dp of take. Is that true? Yeah. Cause, cause you take this guy. Yeah, sounds good to me. Let's see. What's going on? Huh? What's going on? Oh, that's better. 2. Yeah, it should be 0. Oh, should -1. Oh, -1. It's a non-empty. 1, 2. Looks good. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay, yeah, I guess I'll end this. Hey, Soph, see you again. You can rewind, bro. Yeah. Fuck it, bro. Let me have some breakfast. Wanna go over Q4? It's end the stream. Is it morning? No, I'm in US. If